Samuel. So today I am going to do a video, a little tutorial, all on this look that I'm wearing today. So I got a couple of DMs and comments on my Instagram, people asking about how I created this look. I posted a picture, I'll actually insert it somewhere. I'll insert it. But I posted a picture wearing this look about a week ago, the exact same look that I did last week, and I will make sure to go ahead and link everything down below. I'll list it all and provide links for you guys in case you want to get some of the same products. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial, so let's get started. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel, to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit it down below. I would really appreciate that. Subscribing is free, so why not? It's not gonna cost you a dime, and you'll be updated every time I post a new video. So let's get started on the look. So I'm gonna go in with the Sugar Rose Lip Balm. This is one of my favorite lip balms. Okay, I'm gonna get started first with the NYX Honey Do Me Up Primer. I just wanna make this super, super glowy. I'm going with a lot of different glow products in the base. Okay, next I'm gonna put on the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light. So I'm gonna go over my entire face with this. If you feel like you get too shiny, you may just wanna concentrate this only on the places that you want to shine, like the same places you would put a powder highlight, but I'm just gonna put it all over, so. It's gonna just make my entire skin glowy. All right, now that my entire skin is looking pretty glowy, I want to go ahead and fill in pores. So I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Clean Slate Primer. And I'm just gonna fill in all the pores that show through my foundation, AKA pretty much my nose. I also like to put this primer anywhere where I have like rough spots on my face because it just kind of helps to smooth everything out. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Foundation. So I'm going in with the Morphe 439 brush. Okay, and then I always drag it down my neck too. I can never talk while I do this. But just to make sure everything's blending seamlessly. Okay, next I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do a little color correcting. I just like to do a little peach underneath my eye just to make sure that it is very, very bright underneath there. So I'm going in with the MAC Prep and Prime pen. So this is in Peach Lustre. And then my Beauty Blender. So I like to put this anywhere where I have darkness on my face. And this is just helping to even that out or correct that color. Okay, next we're gonna conceal. So I'm going to go in with my favorite Tarte Shape Tape in Tan. I'm gonna go underneath my eye with this. And then I'm gonna use the Tarte, the Amazonian Clay Concealer. I do that on my chin. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. I'm gonna use the BareMinerals Original Mineral Veil Powder. Okay, now we're gonna go into cream contouring. So I'm gonna use my Fenty Matchsticks and I'm gonna go in with the shade Espresso and cream contour my face. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with my Sacha powder blush, and this is in the shade Matte Brown. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Suede Matchstick. Shade is suede, I should say. And I'm just gonna use this. This is a concealer matchstick, but I use this to carve out the contour. So I just go right underneath and then I just drag it down. Okay, then I just like to go in with a little bit of the Mercier powder. This is the translucent powder in the medium deep shade. And then I just like to kind of dust this all over just to blend the contour powder and everything else, so it just kind of like doesn't have those sharp lines, you know? Okay, next we're gonna fill in the brows. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Pencil, and I like to outline my brows with that, and then I fill it in with the Benefit Ka-Brow. So I go in with this. Afterward, it's a Maybelline Brow Precise Volume Fiber Volumizer. So we'll just do a little bit of that. So that is how I'm gonna do my brows. Okay, brows are done, so I'm just gonna go in with MAC Paint Pot in Indian Wood, and we're gonna get started on the eyes. So I'm just gonna use this as my base, so I'm gonna put it all over my lid. Okay, for eyeshadow, I got all of my eyeshadows other than the glitter from the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. So I am going to use that. Okay, so we're gonna start off with my favorite shade, this one right here. We're gonna put this matte orange in the crease area with a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna go with like a fluffier brush like that. And you guys, I didn't prepare for this video, but I was thinking in my next videos, I want to do like some life updates. So I didn't prepare and ask on Instagram before I started this video, like if you guys had any questions or anything like that for me. I got a ton of new products between like PR and stuff I purchased at Sephora, like almost enough to do, I think, a full face of new makeup. So I was thinking I'll do a video with all those products using brand new makeup items, and then also kind of just giving you guys a life update of what's going on in my life. I'll use a little question feature in Insta stories. So if you guys have any questions for me, or you could just comment them down below. I'll go back through this video too if there's any questions here. Okay, so I'm gonna just deepen up this shade a little bit. I'm gonna go right below that matte orange, and I'm gonna go to the matte red right here. And it's kind of like a brick red. I'm gonna go to that one. And I'm gonna put that in my crease as well, but just put it a little bit lower. So I'm just gonna go in with another super fluffy brush, one that's not as big so I can control the product a little better. And I'm gonna put that right in the pocket of the crease. So yeah, in that next makeup video, I definitely wanna include some things about what's going on in my life. For those of you who don't know, I just got engaged like 4 months ago. Like kind of what's going on with that, and I want to start doing when I really start going with the wedding planning stuff, I want to do a lot of videos on that and how I'm getting through it all and where I'm going, because if you happen to live in the same area, then you know, maybe I'll find out some good information that can help you out. Okay, and then just to kind of blend it all together a little bit more, I'm just gonna go over to this lighter orange shade, and this is a little more bricky of an orange, or burnt of an orange, and I'm gonna use that with the same fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna try to blend the edges of the purple and orange. Okay, so all over the lip, we're going to do this red shimmer right here. So we're gonna put that as the base all over the lid. So I'm just gonna go in with like a flat brush. Okay, and then now just to deepen up the crease a little bit more and the outer edge, I'm just gonna go in with this super deep purple right here. This like grape purple shade. I think it's called Soda Pop. This will definitely complement this like red tone with the deep purple. So I'm just gonna go in with the same fluffy brush and a really light hand. So I wanna get that only on the outer corner and just drag a little of what's left into the crease. Right underneath my eyebrow, I'm just going to put a little highlighter shade. So I'm gonna go in with this right here. Okay, now we're just gonna go in for the eyeliner, my under eye liner. I did the Marc Jacobs liner in Fine Wine instead of a black. I think that's so pretty. Okay, now time for lashes. So I'm just gonna put on one coat of mascara. Any mascara will do. Oh, totally forgot. Okay, so I went in with the Stila Magnificent Metals, and this is in Rose Gold Retro, and I put this right on the lid. So I just like with this product to put on a little, and then use my fingers to press it in and blend it out. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and add a little winged liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. So I have these Layla lashes on by Filt'r lashes, and I'm gonna just go ahead and do some bottom mascara. Okay, eyes are done. Now it's just time for blush and highlighter. So I'm using the MAC blush in Raizin. This has a very reddish orange terracotta brown type of hue, and so I think that'll really match the eyes. So we're just gonna throw this on. I honestly feel like it looks like one of the eyeshadows. Okay, and then for highlighter, I am using two. I'm gonna use MAC's Whisper of Guilt. So I'm gonna use the Whisper of Guilt gold highlighter, and then I'm topping it off with the Loreal Shimmerista loose powder. I like to put like a loose on top of the pressed, just to give it a little extra oomph. Okay, lastly for lipstick, I'm using the Buxom Undercover Lip Pencil, and I just love this as a lip pencil and as a liner. This is such a pretty color. It's kind of got an orange undertone as well, or a very warm undertone. So all of these just really complement the eye look. I kind of like to fill in the edges just a little. And then the center of the lip, I use the Urban Decay Naked Cream Lipstick. So this is in Naked, and I just put this pink right in the middle. I just feel like it's like such a pretty nude. Okay, now just for my skin, just to set everything. I'm gonna go in with the Pixi Glow Mist, and this is kind of like a dupe for the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. And then I'm gonna set everything with the Urban Decay All Nighter, which I always use. This setting spray just holds it. The first one to melt everything down. Second one, suck everything in. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I know I got several requests from people on Instagram through comments or DMs about the look when I posted it last week, so I hope you guys can take some inspo from this. You don't have to use all the same products, but just you get the general idea. If you already have some shades like this in your collection, you'll be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will make sure to list everything I use down below. I'll also include links to it as well in case you want to get the exact same thing that I use. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment down below what you want to see next. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you.